Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to rotate and flip elements in a Google drawing. So one way to rotate an element is to just select on it, and if this little dot shows up connected to that center node, I can just grab that with my mouse and then rotate it however much I want it to rotate. Or if I go to Arrange and I select Rotate, I can rotate it clockwise 90 degrees, counterclockwise 90 degrees, or I can flip horizontally or flip vertically. All right, so I can get elements to appear at different angles, backwards, forwards, upside down. Just a lot of neat visual effects that you can use simply by rotating or flipping a Google Drawing element.